Hello, YouTube family. In this particular video, we are going to talk majorly about the four important tests of self-compacting concrete. And those workability tests are the flow table test, the V-funnel test, the L-box test, and the U-box test. And here we go. So if we talk about the flow table test, then the flow table test is used for measuring the workability or the flowability of the self-compacting concrete. So as you all can see on the screen, this is basically the apparatus that has basically been adopted for the purpose of the flow table test. So firstly, we have prepared the mix in the double drum type tilting batch mixer, considering all the proportions of the self-compacting concrete. And after preparing the mix, we have basically oiled the plate and this is the cone, and that particular cone is basically filled in one go. And in this particular test, we just have to measure the time it takes to reach a diameter of 500 millimeters, and we also have to record the maximum spread, that is the maximum flow the maximum spread, and then we have to take another diameter that is at right angle to that particular spread in and we have to compute the slump flow as the average of these two diameter, that is d1 plus d2 divided by 2. So here we have placed the cone on the floor table itself. Then we lifted the cone in one go, and we have started the stopwatch from the instant the cone is lifted till the time it basically touches the mark that is basically made to represent a dia of 500 mm. So when it touches that particular 500 mm dia mark, then we basically record a time using the stopwatch, and we also note down the maximum spread to compute slump flow as d1 plus d2 divided by 2.